Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a custom background image on your Xbox. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to upload a custom background image, you will need to use a computer to save the image you want to use to a USB drive. Launch your Xbox and sign in to your account. Insert the USB stick with the image into your Xbox. The Xbox will notify you that the storage device is ready. Hold down the guide button to open it, and it will take you to the download page for the Media Player app. Install it if you don't have it already. Once the Media Player app has installed, open it up. Select the USB device from the list. Find your image and open it. Now click the menu button of your controller and then select Set as Background. As you can see, the background of my Xbox dashboard has been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.